Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the CBR test. So the California Bearing Ratio Test. So it is an important test before going to construction of our road surfaces in the field. So through the bitumen road we should find whether the material having the quality or not. Okay. So before starting the procedure, I said important one. At least minimum 8% we need to cross the CBR ratio. So the California bearing ratio test we should find through the test load and penetration load. So the ratio of force per unit area required to penetration a soil mass with a standard penetration plunger at a uniform rate of 1.25 mm per minute to the corresponding penetration load of the standard material or crushed stone is called CBR. So the ratio between test load and the penetration load is nothing but standard material into 100. So we can find the CBR through the ratio, but at least minimum the material need to reach 8%. So based on the Indian Road Congress and California institution, we should cross the level. So what is the importance? No? So the significance. So it is generally used to classify and evaluate the soil subgrade and base course material for the flexible pavement. So I said already the flexible pavement lifespan is 15 years. So we should cross the 15 years now. Before construct the road we should find whether the material having the quality or not. So next the this test is empirical and the result cannot be accurately related with any fundamental properties of the materials. So this is the apparatus required to make the test procedure. So this is the load application machines. Okay, so this is the base and the testing machine bed. So here the sample we need to fulfill and load should apply. So through the penetration, what is the range it will be penetrated the load carrying capacity. So through the penetration gauge we can find the ratio of the values. So now we need to record the values. Okay, so this all the materials we need to use at the time of using the machine. Okay, so see the penetration friction we should push down in our material. The material is nothing but our sample, the sample what material we are going to use in the road surfaces. So the procedure, so take 4.5 to 5 kg of soil and mix it thoroughly with the required quantity of water or the field moisture content. Okay, so the material we should take through the moisture content. So the spacer disc is placed at the bottom of the mold over the base plate and a coarse filter paper is placed over the spacer disc. Now the moisture soil is to be compacted over this in the mold by adopting either Indian standard light or the AV compaction. So after compacting the last layer, the collar is removed and the excess of soil above the top of the mold is evenly trimmed off. The excess soil we need to remove from the places. The clamps are removed and the mold with the compacted soil is lifted, leaving below the base plate and sparse disc is removed. Now a filter paper is placed on the base plate. The mold with the compacted soil is inverted and placed over the base plate and the clamps are tightened. Now the weight of 2.5 to 5 kg are placed over the soil in the mold. Then the whole mold is placed in the water tank to hollow shocking for 4 days. Now a swelling measures device are placed on the top of edge of the mold and the splendor of the dial gauge is placed touching the top of the sample. So now the gauge is touching with the top of the sample. No, the initial dial gauge reading the recorded and the test sample is kept and distributed in the water tank. After 4 days of soaking, the mold is clamped over the base plate and the same surges weights are placed on the specimen as the test could be conducted. So the complete assembly is placed under the loading of machines. Now the penetration plunger is brought in contact with the top surface of the soil by applying 4 kg of load. The dial gauge of providing ring and the penetration dial gauge is set on 0. The load is applied through penetration rate of 1.25 mm for minutes. Now the load reading are taken at the interval of 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5 mm of penetration. The maximum load values and the corresponding penetration values are recorded. A graph is plotted by penetration in mm on x-axis, and the load, maybe we can take the kilonewton or newton, and y-axis, and the value of load at penetration 2.5 and 5.5 mm are found from the graph. So the graph represented very clearly. So the x-axis we can take the penetration, and then y-axis we can take the load. Okay, so here the range are very clearly classified in a stagnant. Okay, so it having the deviation through the penetration. So now the top section, the load will be crossed the level. So here the 120 are crossed through the load from the penetration level. In here there's 2.5 we can take approximately. So now the finally the CBR value is calculated from the formula. So as per Indian Road Congress recommendation, the minimum value of CBR required for a subgrade should be 8%. That's all about. Thank you.